There you go. Okay, so we're out about 62 feet.
From here?
Yeah, probably about 55 because we got about 7 feet of cable here. And you can see the water right here. This is the bottom of the pipe. It's on top. So this is basically the end of the belly going out. So as we pull it back, we're going to get into water. Okay, so we hit water at, what was it, 59 feet? I said 57, but yeah, it's 59. My fault. Even with glasses, my 61-year-old eyes fail me. And now we're in water. You can see it's all fuzzy and cloudy, and we're coming out of it.
How many feet altogether was that? About 20?
About 10.
About 10 feet. And the camera's turned itself over, so we're now looking at the bottom of the pipe. And here we go with another belly, which is at 28, 29, about 30 feet. And so then we're going to go underwater again.
Does that just do the settling due to age?
Yeah, it's probably settlement, yeah.
So it's about another 10-foot belly.
Yeah, another 10-foot belly there.